Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Hopper Bull from Stranger Things times Brawl Stars, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the nose. So right in the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this line around, through, and then back up on the right. We're going to draw in the ring underneath. So we're going to draw in a small arch line right in the center. And then we're going to step across on the left-hand side, replicating that, just making this one bigger. Now let's draw in the mustache. So coming out on both sides, we're going to curve this line over and down. We're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then now from the center, we're just going to curve this line over and out on both sides. Let's draw on the eyebrows. So let's come up. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming across on both sides. We're going to curve this line through towards the top. And then we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same distance as the line on the bottom. Now let's close this off on the side with another curved line. Now let's draw in our eyes. So over on the inside, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the left-hand side as well. For the pupils, we're going to come in towards the inside corner, drawing in an arch line. And then we're just going to color these in black. We're going to draw his hat now. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line up and through on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right, blending that line in together, bringing this over and across. Let's step up again. In the middle, we're going to curve this line over and through, making this one smaller. And then let's come down, stepping up one more time, drawing in another curved line above our very bottom line. To the left of this now, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then on the very top, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. Now let's draw in the stripe right in the middle. So we're going to curve this over and through. Let's close off the brim of the hat now on the side. So we're going to curve this around and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well, bringing that over and through. Now let's draw in the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out, bending that at the cheek, bringing that in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now for the sideburn here, stepping over, we're going to curve this around and through. And then on both sides, we're going to draw in a half circle for that ear. Now moving up, we're just going to curve this line up towards the hat. Let's come down and we're going to draw in the jacket. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, ending that at the same height. And now let's bring this line across on the bottom, curving this out on both sides. Now from here, stepping in, we're going to curve this line up and out, extending it just past this line on the inside. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now closing off the collar from that point, we're going to curve this back in towards the face. And then closing off the hair behind, we're just going to draw in another half circle, curving this around and in on the top. Now we're going to draw in the right side first. We're going to tuck this line up, and then we're going to bring this line out. We're going to move in, bringing this line further down towards the bottom, and then we're going to step up, bringing this line straight across. Now from here on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming down, and then we're going to bring this line straight across. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line up and in towards that collar, closing off the wrist here, drawing in a straight line, On the top on the side, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then stepping up again, replicating that, drawing that one more time. Let's draw on the hand. So on the inside, we're going to curve this around and up for the thumb. And then from here, we're going to bring this line down, around, and then back up. Let's draw in the mug that he's holding on the left-hand side now. So right on the top here, from the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line coming across. And then we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with a slight curved line on the bottom. And then right in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. For the eyes now on both sides, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then we're just going to draw in a straight line across. Let's draw the star around this now. So 2 diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle on the top. We're going to bring this line down on a slight diagonal on both sides. Again, from that point, bringing that in towards the circle. Now again, let's bring this line out. And then bringing that in towards the middle. Let's join this at a point together on the very bottom. And now let's draw in the hand holding the mug. So from the top here, we're going to curve this around and in on the bottom. And then we'll draw in 2 straight lines coming across. Now let's close off the jacket. So we're going to bring this line up towards the mug. We're going to close off the arm with a curved line, tucking that underneath. And then we're going to close off the shoulder here, arching that through. Let's draw in another straight line coming down on the middle. And then lining that up at a similar height, we're just going to draw in a straight line directly across. Let's draw on the belt now. So we're going to, right in the middle, draw in a nice big rectangle. And then in the middle, we're just going to replicate that again. Let's draw on the belt strap. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the top. And then moving down, let's replicate that one more time. From the middle, stepping over on both sides, let's draw in a straight line coming up towards the very top. For the collar, we're going to bring this line out and then back through. And now from here, we're just going to draw in 3 circles as we come down, leaving an even amount of space. Now let's step up for the pockets. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming in towards the middle, leaving a gap. And then we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. Now let's bring our diagonal line across towards the side. Let's draw in the legs. So stepping in towards the middle, we're going to draw a curved line. Let's bring this diagonal line out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we'll do the same thing as we step out on the side. Now let's close off the bottom here. So we're going to curve this up, over, and then back down, just connecting that to our lines. On the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line up and down, ending that at the same height as the line on the inside. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. And then for the sole of the shoe, just replicating that again. And that is it. That's how you draw Hopper Bull from Stranger Things times Brawl Stars. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.